Hi, welcome to Wrinkles and Giggles. I'm so glad you're here. I'm Kathleen. I've got a product today to show you, especially since I'm an esthetician by trade and a laser tech. I'm always out for new products, skincare, and makeup. But I'm going to talk about a product today called Physician's Formula. I know you've probably heard that from way back. Well, I have found that they are coming around again, so maybe they'll have a moment. Let's dive in deep and let's just talk about this one product that I think you're going to add. And even for all those non-makeup girls, I still think you're going to add this one. Let's go. Okay, like I said, today I found a product. I was actually getting a product to give to my sister who does my hair as a gift. But when it arrived and I actually looked at the ingredients, I thought, wait, I've got to try this. And so I have for the last 2 weeks, and I really loved it. First, it is called the Physician's Formula. Physician's Formula has been around many, many years, but it had the best years with high volume sales in about 2007 to 10. Wonderful ingredients for sensitive skin. I should say it's usually for sensitive skin, but anything with sensitive skin is great for all skin types because they've really checked out the ingredients for any kind of allergy effects or if it is non-comedogenic and irritants. So I suggest look into Visage Formula and you will love this. And this is called the Butter Glow and Go. Don't you love the name? It is made with a type of butter which is from the palm tree. And it's a healing and nourishing and putting moisturizer into your skin. So it is very creamy. Just like you may have heard with shea butter, it's great for healing. Well, this is the Murumuru Butter. Try to say that fast 3 times. It is dynamite. I haven't heard about this ingredient for a very long time, heard about it way back in the past. It is excellent. So therefore it goes on creamy and does have a nice little sheen to it, but not too much. You've heard me talk about all these other ones that I love, highlighting sticks and that you can use in your cheeks or maybe your eyes, blush sticks that you can put your blush on and kind of use it on your lips. And I also like the creams that come out that you can add to a moisturizer or just put it on your cheeks. And that's very liquidy, but that one's good. I really like these, especially being of a mature age and we have dry skin. And I know I have lights on me, but I have the dry skin and lots of lines down in here and here that, especially when I smile. So I'm on the lookout for hydrating products with makeup and skincare. So the reason why I bring this up, look, not only for the price, because since I am retired, I am looking for budget friendly and that still perform very well like the high-end products. So this one has 2 ends and wonderful ingredients that and vitamins, and it has a pinky side, and this is called the Beachy Pink. They do have 3 to 4 other colors, and they range from anywhere from $14 to $16, depending on which ones they're having specials on. And this one has a darker tone that you can certainly use for contouring and eyes. So this is why I like it. Not only does it have 2 sides, but you can pretty much pack this away, carry it in your purse, in your bathroom. For all the non-makeup girls, it's so easy to go out and make your face look a little bit brighter, a little bit more glowy, and you're going to feel more hydrated. So instead of just a highlighting, instead of just a blush, instead of just a contour and eyeshadow, this can do so much. And it gives you ample amount because as I push that up, you can see it just keeps coming. And both sides, I have used it for 2 weeks, so it's kind of worn down a little. But this side can be used as your contour. Now, I don't contour a lot, but when I'm having my bangs over anything, I do contour in my forehead. And this one, like you probably know, the people who follow me, I like to use my fingers. Some of the brushes do really well, especially the makeup brushes that they've come out with. But this is to tone down or make this look more like a shadow for my forehead. No, wait, 5 head, because I think I can get 5 fingers up here. So I have a 5 head, and, or it's just, I have a lot of brains. And this can, the brown can also be used as an eyeshadow. And that's the brown. And this side can be used as an eyeshadow because I like using some of the pinks for eyeshadows, especially in the spring. As you can see, that's a nice color. And of course, this is your blush. And the, oh, it's very creamy. Goes on very pigmented, so I probably put too much, but look how creamy. And then it easily blends with the fingers. And if you put too much, you just keep blending, or the next time you put a smaller amount, maybe a little bit more. And look at that. If you just had this, if you like to travel light, this is the way to go. If you just had this, you have your contouring, you have your eyeshadows, and of course you can contour with a higher cheekbone. And look at this. And because it has that Murumuru butter, it is soft and creamy, like a high-end lipstick. And I have been trying it for a full 2 weeks, and I'm very picky about lip products. If they make your lips smell after maybe 10 or 15 minutes, I don't use them. And I don't know if you've noticed, but there are some lipsticks out there that when you lick your lips, you think, what's that smell? Is that my breath? No, that's the product on your lips. This one does not do that. And in fact, with this one, you can also make a different lipstick by putting it on over pink. If you have a different tone. So since this comes in different colors, you can pick the one that you are used to using with a tone and which one you think that will look better with your tone if you're a darker skin tone or lighter skin tone. I do wear a lot of pinks and pretty much lighter skin tone, but there are other ones that are just beautiful for you darker skinned women or men. And I always mention men because think if a man helped out his face a little bit with either a tinted sunblock that he had more of a nice coloring to his skin, or if he put on a little bit of tiny little color in the cheeks, if he was really pale, it would look really nice. So also, and I think more and more men are wearing the tinted sunblock. This is lovely. And like I said, I'm not sponsored by them. This is a great product. The price again, this one was on sale for around $14.97. I absolutely love it. In fact, I love it so much, I'm going to keep it. So I'm going to have to buy my sister another one. And now that I'm doing a video, my other sisters are going to hear about this and I'll have to buy them one too. Or they can find it on Amazon. I did get this on Amazon. I think Physician's Choice, Physician's Formula also has their own website. So you can log in right into there too, or maybe your favorite website. This is definitely worth getting. I'm going to put it in my travel bag. I could get another one for my purse, but I do love to travel light. So great ingredients. And if you're a vegan, it's vegan approved, cruelty free. I suggest check into this. I think you're going to like it. No, I know you're going to like it. I know you're going to like it. Stay fabulous. And thank you once again. And don't forget to like and subscribe because that really does help the channel grow so that all these videos get out to people in case they're looking for something like this too. Thanks.